guys, hey, it's Ivy and welcome to the coupon camp. I know you guys do not see me on camera a lot, but that's because I like to focus on couponing and teaching and scanning and stuff. But I've gotten several messages about different coupons at Walgreens. So I want to go over some quick coupons that you should look out for just at Walgreens alone. So let's go over here and let's look. And I'm actually in my car shooting this video because I want to get it out to you, and I want you guys to know when you go in Walgreens that it is a lot of different ways to earn at Walgreens. We're going to start off with just some of the coupons that you can pick up at Walgreens. So let's go. Okay, so this first coupon you see is called a manufacturer coupon that you get at Walgreens, and you have to buy something to get it. Off this deal, I actually bought 2 Dons, and this is what they call a registered reward. It prints out at the counter in that little brown box. That's what it print out of, okay? This one is called a booster from Walgreens. You have to spend a certain amount in order to get to earn that $9 Walgreens cash. So what you'll spend is $30. You have a certain amount of time to spend it, and then that's what you will earn. The next thing that prints out at Walgreens is manufacturer coupons for different stuff. So this is for Dove, is $2.50. That prints out at Walgreens, again, out of the same machine that this register reward and this print out of, okay? The next one, this is from a pull pad in Walgreens. It's $1 off Impress press-on nails. And this is how it looks. That pull pads always have long coupon dates, expiration dates. So this is the 4th coupon, and the next one, this was a hidden gem. This is called a hang tag coupon. It's $4 off. It's for Dove Specialized Care. Look at that, $4, and it actually expires on the 30th. So when you go on Walgreens, just couponing alone, this is what you could pick up. You could cook, and usually whenever you spend something at Walgreens, you're going to pick this up. You're going to pick something up out of this crew. It's probably a booster, it might be a manufacturer, or you might earn rewards. Or if you stroll through the store, you'll see these pull pads. Pull some of the coupons off. There's 2 of these. I'm going to get them for my granddaughter. She wear press-ons. And then this was around an actual bottle of Dove Specialized Care that I bought. A lot of times people don't buy them. They go ahead and just take them. So that is a way you could, all of these coupons you could use at Walgreens. Now, another way you could use it is off of what we call Walgreens Cash. Let's look at that. Okay, so here, this is mine. It told me I saved $15. But look, opening balance was $39.45. I earned that visit $24.30, so it took me up to $63.75. That probably was a good online deal because I've been doing them lately and earning a lot. So that's another way you can earn money at Walgreens and basically go in there and spend like it's free. Now, another way you can earn money at Walgreens is through Ibotta. Okay, so what you would do is go to your Ibotta app right there, and you would touch Ibotta, pardon my nails. Then we would go down, scroll. You're going to find the retailer you like, and it's going to be Walgreens. And then it'll tell you what's like right now. It'll tell you what you could do. You want to hit for you. You want to also, sometimes it asks you is it in-store or online. You always hit that grocery deal. Whatever's a little freebie, I take it. Sometimes they give you 10 points just for doing a receipt. Then you start hitting what you need. You start hitting your, why that didn't turn? There it is, it turned. You start hitting what you need. You could get whatever you're buying. Make sure you go through this first and hit it. It's going to tell you what you get back. So that's more money you could use on Ibotta, or you can go to the store. You could link your Walgreens card also to Ibotta and earn more money. But you go down and you just find what you need and you link it to it, okay? Okay. Walgreens also have coupons that say only for you. Now, these coupons are specific to whoever the person is that own the app or who's on a Walgreens number. And it will be different prices. These prices will be different. So these are not the same. Most of them are, but if it's only for you, then this is all yours. Like, you can clip that and then you'll see like, oh, okay, I got a $3. Then you might look at your mom's. Your mom might have a $5 one, but those are only for you coupons. Now, when I hit that only for you coupon, look what it is. It's a manufacturer, so it's going to tell you when, if it's a manufacturer or a My Walgreens coupon. So let's get to that. Okay, so the next coupon Walgreens have is what they call My Walgreens. It's $3 off. So now if you look at it, see that it comes from a monthly savings book. That used to be a book that used to be in the front of the store in a little shelf. Now it's online like all their coupons, and you could stack this Huggies coupon with a Huggies manufacturer coupon. So that's another thing we like about Walgreens. You are able to stack their coupons. Now they have all their coupons are digital now, except those ones that I showed you that print out. The machine is called a Catalina machine. Sometimes it's best to ask if it's charged up, okay? So those are called My Walgreens coupons. Those also print out at the Catalina and you're able to stack them, okay? So guys, I hope that helped you a little bit. Thanks for tuning in. Make sure you hit like, subscribe, and share Ivy's coupon account. Bye.